Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to do the sleeves and the playmat on YGO Omega. Alright, let's close this down here. Oh, whoa. Okay, what do we do? Go to File Explorer. I'm already on there. If you don't have it pinned into your quick access, you go to local C drive, go to Omega. You should just pin that to quick access, so it's just right there. C, Omega, Omega data, files, and right here, sleeves. There's nothing in there. You just go to Google, type in a picture you want. I'm gonna do the subscribe here. I saved it onto my desktop. I'm just gonna drag it on there. That's the sleeve. Now we're gonna do the playmat. There's nothing on there. Oh yeah, hold on. For the sleeves, you could only have one sleeve. I tried putting two on there, and which one was first was on there, so you could only have one sleeve and probably one mat. So we're doing the playmat now. Playmat. Let's go to Google. I typed in Trift Gaming Playmat. Let's try to get this one right here. Let's just close this down. Where is that? Where'd it go? Right here. Just gonna drag it to the desktop. I'm gonna drag that into Playmat. And that's it. And then this is not responding now. Dang it. Probably because I put those in there. Let's close this out. Let's load it up again. I don't know why there's no icon on there. Let's go to settings. Let's full screen this. Go online. We're gonna duel an AI. Well, not duel, just show you guys. So host. Okay, private, create, add a bot, and ready up. I'll go first. And there you go. You have your playmat here. You got the Trift Gaming and the subscribe button, and that's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm pretty sure you could only have one playmat as well, because I tried putting two sleeves, nothing worked, so I didn't even try for this one. And remember, what you see is what you see, and what they see is what they see, unless they donated. That means whatever sleeve or mat they have, the other player can see. But if you did not donate and you're putting sleeves and mat, they can't see that. You could only see that. And I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And that's about it. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.